May you always be brave in the shadow.
Hi guys, welcome to Prime Review. This free apps of the week, I am going to introduce you the surveillance app called Alfred Video Surveillance Camera. It is free and it works seamlessly over any network. The problem about the surveillance camera is you need to be in the same network, and when you use it outside the house, you cannot look into the house only if you have the dedicated server. So there has a many server providers such as D-Link has a free server for you. But you need to buy their camera too. But it is the app called Alfred. You can easily set up the device, and with the same Gmail account, you can have the camera anywhere. It has the free cloud storage. Let's look into it. First, you need to install it. 21 MB by Alfred Lab. It's quite fast because I am on the Wi-Fi network. And I open it. It is the app feature. When you look in the app, you can choose it is the viewer or the camera. I have the camera here is another phone. So let's set this as the viewer here. When you click next, they will ask you to sign into the Gmail. Okay, now I am live now. There is an ad below, but it won't interfere with you. Only to do is click the above. This is the OS 105 camera with this phone here. I will set this phone to exit the Wi-Fi network first. Let's stop the Wi-Fi network here. So it is on the mobile data to demonstrate you that it is not the same network. Wake up the camera. You can see I have the picture streaming from the camera here. And it's wake up the camera. And the phone is still black screen. So the camera is like a spy cam here. So I will put something in front of the camera phone. You can see the raptor is chasing up the man here. You can see the leg. I will show you this way. 1, 2, 3. There is a lag, but a very minimal one. You can see that. And when I speak the sound, I will go out the little here. Hello? 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 Do you see that? Hello? Hello? It had a sound too. So you can use this to monitor your home, your children, or anyone you want. The phone, the camera you use at the phone is, you can see this, it's black screen. And you can put it on the wall or put it on the stand like this. You can see that after 5 minutes of the recording, the camera battery still has the 100% here. So you don't have to worry about the power of the camera very much. Or if you worry, you just plug in the power cable here. Connect to your power adapter and your camera will be always on 24 hours. You can use it to two-way communication too. You press this button, you long press it. Hello? 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 Hi. This is from the owner. You can see that. So it can use to talk to your kids or talk to your parents at home. Okay, thank you, Sky. See you later. If you found this clip was informative, please press like and subscribe to my channel. I will be very happy. And you can comment below. Any comment is very pleased and welcome. Thank you.